Hi, I'm Erin Righetti. I'm here for Partnering 360 Insight. We're here at BioEurope Spring 2014 in Turin, Italy. I'm here with Sigal Weißwasser. She's the president of Technology Business Networks, T.B.N. Incorporated or Group. Welcome, Sigal.
Thank you. Great being here.
Great. Now, you have over 20 years experience in international sales, marketing, business development, and business acceleration. Tell me about your company.
Well, I guess I have decided I call myself a business opportunity provider, which is a very unique title, I guess. Because for me today, it's really looking into a client, but really trying to understand a lot more than seeing a product or a company. Today, really by the end of the day today, the name of the game is trying to locate the best opportunities and try to support my clients in terms of sales, which is really a different niche and it's a totally different new concept. I work after so many years. I really decided to take the path towards like working from within, meaning really feeling the product, the company, their plans, aspirations, where they want to go to, and I really would like to help them to get there. Wow. And so, in a way, after so many years, you really get to understand better the people behind the companies or behind the technology, and you understand that by the end of the day, this is their success, this is their dream, and it's really an honor for me trying to be part of their team in reaching what they try to reach. So, yeah, this is really nice. I mean, I'm very lucky and blessed being part of an industry that, beside the fact this is a business industry, we many times tend to remember that this is, by the end of the day, we're talking about people's life. Our industry, the life science industry, is giving a better quality of life to people, curing people, which is a huge thing. This is why I think that our industry is made from amazing people. Yeah.
I definitely hear your passion.
Yeah, it's true.
Amazing. Now, you've done two deals recently. One was with a Russian company, and the other was a deal between an Israeli company and a Chinese partner. Tell me about those deals.
Well, for the past 8 years, I'm representing Sinopharm, which is the largest government-owned medical company, which is, dealing with China market is very challenging, more so with the government-owned officials. And this is really exceptional of a government official to work with someone like myself, like an advisor. But I have to say that it gave me a lot of added value in order to really understand better how they think, how they operate, and why it is so important for them to bring things into China market for the China people, because it's the government and because they take care of the entire market. It's not like a specific distributor. So for me, it was a very interesting experience. While with this company, it's a medical device company that I introduced them to Sinopharm and walked them through the entire process till negotiations and closing. And it was really very interesting to see. To instruct the deal business-wise, but more so on the personal level. And this is one of the things when you're dealing with China, Russia, and these emerging markets, that the personal aspect, it just plays such a major part in these kind of deals. So you have to do so much better and beyond just having an agreement and let's talk about the terms. Even the agreements are different. So this is in terms of the China deals. Also recently I closed another deal, a pharma deal with Sinopharm, and so also I could see taking a lead, taking a leading role within the entire this deal, but then you can really see that by the end of the day it's really the people relation, and I really had to help my client to build this relationship with the Chinese parties. That was very interesting. Now, in terms of Russia, another very challenging market. It's an amazing market because there's a lot of things going on, a lot of people concerned of this market because they don't know how to play there. And I highly recommend that also for China today, emerging market, again, China, Russia, and others. I think that companies would like to enter these markets should really think about having a local partner to do this with, because the local partner really understands the game, the rules there, which is different. And many times we're very concerned, but not necessarily we need to, because once we know how does it work there, and we say, okay, you know, I'm willing to take this path and understand how does it work, the strategy, the local strategy, then it might be an amazing market to enter. My client, Pharm, is a company that is operating within the pharmaceutical in Russia, and I put them together with two European partners in order to increase their activity in Russia. And I have to say that it was very, very intriguing to see the European parties really understanding that this Russian party having a special strategy to work within the market with specific companies, pharma companies in Russia. It was really like something new, like how come? It's not like a one strategy in Russia. It means that every pharma company, they know how to tailor a different work plan, which is something that us as foreigners, now really knowing the inside information, don't know what's happening there. I mean, how can I penetrate this, you know, this, so it's really very intriguing. I find myself really today looking into the business world I'm being fascinated with what's happening in terms of all these emerging markets, dealing with new rules, different people, personalities, cultures. It's so much more than just signing an agreement.
Yeah.